Everyone, this is Happy Hills Cars and Stuff, and today we're going to be opening up a PetrolBox. So this is a PetrolBox. This is a company that has subscription boxes that they send out to all their customers. These subscription boxes usually come with t-shirts, cleaning sprays, detailing sprays, things like that. Sometimes they have mechanics gloves. They sometimes have wash mitts, chamois, etc. So let's see what's in this one. This is the November of 2018's box. So when you open it up, they always come with this special thank you for your support. The back tells you what's in the contents, or what's in the box, contents inside the box. This time it's a Paragon It's Not Lag t-shirt, Mad Cow Minted Mineral glass cleaner, an air freshener, Dry Mate oil spill mat. That actually sounds pretty neat. The Rag Company premium glass and window towel. So, alright, let's take all this stuff out. You got your Dry Mate oil spill mat. Pretty good quality, it seems like. I'm gonna need this for a later video. Glass cleaner cloth. Have a couple of those, if you don't mind another one. And this is what I was talking about with the cleaners and detailing sprays and stuff. So they have random companies. It's not the same company every time. This time it's Detailing Mad Cow. I've never heard of them, but we'll check it out and see how it works. They always come with a spray nozzle, so don't worry about that. I already have like 3 that I already got from when I earlier in the year ordered this. So that's awesome. Use that eventually. They also always give you a magnet, so whoever the current month car of the month is, they usually put that on there. And you just put that wherever the hell you want it, really. Here's an air freshener. A lot of them just come with cool designs. This company is Frappers, I guess. I haven't heard of them. Melon fruity one, so put that on. This time it's a coilover, so interesting design. They always come with a certain candy. This time it's a Laffy Taffy. Sometimes it's High Chews, things like that. And here's a t-shirt. It's actually a pretty neat looking t-shirt. It's not lag. So yeah. So guys, that's all that comes in the subscription boxes. Depending on what you get, I think it's about like 50. It depends. I think it's like 30 for a basic box, 45, 50 for this box right here, I think. I'm not too sure. I need to look back into it, but they're fairly inexpensive for what you get, and yeah, decent. They're great products. I've already used some of the cleaners that I've had in the past, and they're great. Like I said, you get mechanics gloves. I got a pair of mechanics gloves, and obviously a t-shirt runs you like about 20-30 bucks anyways, so you get a t-shirt and then everything else for basically a little bit above the price of a t-shirt. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like it, and be sure to subscribe for more videos and content coming up soon. Thank you for watching.